Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you folks the 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Brand new model we just come out. Sea Ray is now getting into the outboards. So let's start at the back of the boat. It's powered by triple 250s. As the sky hook, as you can see, we're sitting still right now. We're in a high wind, high current, and it's keeping us in one spot. Fantastic. Plenty of room. You've got L-shaped seating. You've got a table here that you can remove. Then over here we have a little galley set up. Got a really nice grill, sink, refrigerator. We also have the Sure Shade that pulls out. So if you want the shade, you're totally in the shade. If you want to be in the sun, you can be in the sun. Same with the moon roof as well. If you want the sun, opens all the way up. You don't want it, closes up. So perfect. As we move forward, we've got the seat that'll go this way, so you can lounge facing this way, or seat two people comfortably facing forward. Same with the helm. We've got two Simrad touch screens, so you got great, fantastic electronics. We've got the digital throttle and shift, and then we've got the skyhook. Fantastic feature. Keeps me just going in one spot right now, and I can stay here for hours. Keep it right here. Also has the auto heading on it, and also as far as docking the boat, doesn't get any easier than the joystick. Let's move forward. The Sundancer's never had good seating in the bow. This is unbelievable seating up here. It's just very comfortable for three people. Armrest, stereo controlled, nice speakers, table over here. You got a great improvement on the 320 Sundancer. Let's go down below. Here we are down in the cabin. It's got some nice features down there. It's got a little microwave, little refrigerator. It's set up right now where you can see it's another sleeping area, but it also comes up for a dining area for 6 people comfortably. Nice stand-up head, and then a full mid-cabin down there, 2 adults, very comfortably back here. So the boat will actually sleep 4 people comfortably. It's a great all-around boat. It's a trip to the Keys. It's going to go anywhere you want it to go. So if you got any questions on it or would like to make an appointment, come see it. My name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.